What if the next revolution in healthcare isn't about discovering new treatments, but completely rebuilding how healthcare is delivered? In this episode, we sit down with Dan, founder and CEO of Huma, a healthcare unicorn that's already touched the lives of over 55 million patients worldwide.
I can now do that literally in less than 2 minutes, the MVP version, and then less than 2 weeks, a solid version.
That's Dan, founder of Huma, collapsing healthcare development timelines from years to minutes. But in an industry this complex, transformation does not come easy.
It takes 10x more energy to sign same size of deal. It's tough.
When traditional approaches failed, Dan discovered the solution wasn't brute force. It required completely rethinking the scale of healthcare innovation.
A lion trying to catch a mice. That lion will die from hunger. But for a cat, a smaller unit, it's a fantastic food. So we have the cat model.
The potential impact, far larger than what built today's tech giant.
The whole advertising market is like, 1 trillion, but healthcare is 10 trillion.
And his approach to capturing this massive opportunity, ruthless efficiency at every level.
Basically, every revenue you save, that's like 100% margin. That has been kind of our philosophy. We still fly economy. We are very conscious, negotiate everything.
Now, Huma isn't just building its own future. It's creating an entire ecosystem for healthcare innovation.
Any companies that comes in and wants to build it, we invest in them.
How can a platform mindset make healthcare scale like e-commerce, slashing costs and empowering patients? Join us as we sit down with Dan, who's proving that in the $10 trillion healthcare industry, commercial success isn't the endpoint. It's just the beginning.